Welcome to the For Fishing exhibition in Prague, Czech Republic. Today we're going to have a look at a fully aluminium boat, Hammer 599 Sport. Let's go. The base model starts at 19,825 euros, excluding engine. The total length of the boat is almost 6 meters and the width is 2.37 meters. The total carrying capacity is 4 to 6 people. Barkmet offers a wide variety of finishes, boat paint plus camel foil or optional carbon foil or simply the boat paint. Starting from the back, we have nearly 2-meter mobile aluminium platform which extends your whole boat nearly for the 2 meters. So we have 599 and then suddenly it transforms the boat nearly to 8 meters, which really extends the whole comfort for fishing, for swimming and more activities on the boat. To enter the boat, you use either left or right aluminium doors, which open up very much with ease. Come with me. We enter the boat. Let's open also the second doors, just like that. Here, usually, you would have an engine. The engines here on this boat are up to 100 horsepower, surrounded by this section, so in case if you're on big waves or the weather conditions are not the best, the water from the engine doesn't come up to the deck. Here, if you have a look, we have self-draining holes. The boat itself is made in a particular angle, therefore if you have rain or water coming up everywhere on the deck, the water comes out from these drainage holes easily. Built for fishermen and also families, the boat has 2 optional benches that are actually foldable. Check this out. 1, 2, boom, you fold it, and if you need more space to move around the boat for fishing or anything, maybe partying, whatever, you can fold it back up on the left side and also here on the right side, just like that, with ease. I'm a big guy, 2 meters, and it's a plenty of space. You can also, literally just lay down like that. It's fine. Here we have water tanks, 37 liters. At the moment the tanks are not there because it's an exhibition boat, obviously, but you have 1 tank here, second tank for 100 liters for fuel is just right here. The fuel goes in right here. And the water is also connected to the shower system, which is 3 meters long. So you put the water in here, you have the shower here, you take it up, you can fully wash the deck with ease because it's 3 meters long, and also you can pull it away just right here to the platform to wash the platform from any kind of dirt. Very easy, very convenient, nice. Next up we have this optional captain's chair with foldable or adjustable back support, very nice. So if you want to sit here, you just do it like that, you fold it, you sit. You enjoy beautiful views. If you need to drive, you go back, fold it back to the original position, boom. Easy as that. Another optional item is this central console, which offers you, of course, depending on what you really choose, based on your preferences of cruising, also rivers, fishing and more. Driving system, also information about your fuel, water, lights, horn, and also here you can choose a radio system, USB, both USB-C and USB-A, and you also have a classic power adapter for anything else. You click once on the radio, you search for different radio stations. If you may be wondering where are the speakers, one speaker is here on the left side of the central console, and of course you have stereo sound, so you have another one here. The boat is CE Class C, therefore it's not only for inland waterways, you can go and cruise on the sea. The main idea behind the 599 Sport was to create a boat that in a basic version doesn't offer central consoles, seats and more, because we understand many fishermen simply need space and they utilize it themselves, but also there are fishermen that really do need driving at the center, you need more seats, you need more storage. So this is where we win with the product, because you can really modify the boat to your liking and to your needs. You're not being forced to something what you're not going to use eventually. Speaking of storage, so we have one storage just right here below me. Yes. Close it. And another one here. That's a lot of storage if you ask me. By the way, all the cushions, seats are on Velcro, so in case you are afraid that it may, for example, smell after sun or a lot of rain if you leave it on the boat during bad weather conditions, you don't do that. You take it out because it's on Velcro. Very, very smart. This box is also optional. You can put a toilet here, chemical toilet, just like that. We're at the moment at the exhibition, so sorry for all the papers, but I truly believe you understand. So we close it here. Very nice closing, so nothing really rattles around when you're driving furiously. Cushion, Velcro, sit, enjoy the beautiful views. Also, when you're on the toilet, just like that. It depends how you go to the toilet. So here are also optional bags. A very interesting design. So you're not forced also to having the bags here because sometimes you have a lot of personal belongings on the boat. So if you need to take it with you, you slide it out, boom, and you go. Slide it back in, ready for cruising. So coming up to the front of the boat, we have two optional seats. You can put them pretty much high up to see all the fish, basically everything. It's very high up, to be honest. And while we are here, I suppose some of you may be asking, what are these two poles? It's a sliding anchor system, sometimes called as Dutch anchor. Those are two poles completely made from aluminium. So when you come to the shore, you take one, you stick it up the hole, and you twist it and you park. Here at the front we have another storage space. There is a lot of storage space on this boat because when we created the first hammer boats, whether we're talking about the C model or also some other subversions of the hammer C models, we've been told you need to make a lot of storage. This boat has all the storage you may need. So if you have a look right here, another storage. That's right.